There are thousands, if not millions, of programming languages out there. Now, as a web designer or SEO specialist, how can you check for your potential client or your competitor's site to check what programming language or website builder they built with? My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to help you find out which websites are built with, or what websites are built with, using BuiltWith. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is head over to builtwith.com. For your convenience, I will leave this link down in the description below. Right after that, you arrive to this page right here. For your reference, it might be in light mode. I just custom mine. Right after that, you'd want to navigate to the search bar right here and then put in your potential client URL, domain, and so on. So in this example, we'll be using our very own website, prolemon.com. Right after that, we want to click on lookup, and then we're going to leave BuiltWith to do its magic. As you've seen, it's already done its magic. What's pretty cool about BuiltWith is it just doesn't give you that information. It gives you more information, such as what type of plugins, meta profile, detailed technology profile, performance profile, relationship, redirects, recommendations, and a little bit more about companies. We'll be highlighting all the other aspects in separate videos. In this one, we just want to highlight the tool that was used to build this website. Now, that may not be as clear as day, so you usually find it by scrolling down through under widgets. So you see the types of plugins that are on the website. As you can see here, this is a WordPress site because they had WordPress plugins, sorry, as well as additional plugins such as a Nitro Pack, as we see here, Google Font, Google Tag Manager, Elementor, and so on. So that's how you can quickly check which website or what your website was built with using BuiltWith. If you have any questions with regards to SEO, or please feel free to reach out to us at pearllemon.com and subscribe for more SEO tips and tricks. Ciao.